Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing something special for the channel, first time ever for me. Very excited about this little project coming up, and I kind of wanted to announce it to you guys. Most of you that are on my channel already know that my channel started almost 12 to 15 years ago, something on that lines, and it evolved mostly around archery and building bowls, PVC pipe bowls to be more specific. And on that channel, I did a lot of those types of things. Well, as I kind of grew into different aspects of life, I started taking on different things. I personally like doing a lot of crafting and custom works and archery, paintball, any type of shooting sports is really what I'm into. So that being said, this is a very big day for me. Today is the first day that I have an official sponsor of the channel. And today the sponsor of the channel is Vampire Outdoors. Not sure it's pronounced Vampire or Vampire Outdoors. Anyway, I reached out to Vampire Outdoors and just basically asked them about their stuff and if they needed a product tester and somebody who was willing to review their equipment. Talked to this guy called Jason. Awesome dude, very awesome. He hooked me up with these two boxes. So this video here and the next series of videos are going to be reviewing and going through what's in the box.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
So, check out this section here. I'm going to show you what their channel looks like. Not their channel, their website should be popping up somewhere around here. Check it out.
I poured blood and I made them bleed. I took souls and I've set them free. You gon' learn today about respecting me. And loose lips ain't a threat to me. I'm against the grain, I'm John Wayne. I'm Billy the Kid on a bad day. I'm the black sheep with a mad face. I'm a black rose in a bouquet. I'm packing up this suitcase. I'm a wanted man, got a new case. When they come for me, I'm long gone. Just tell them boys they too late. That two-faced old county judge wanna hold a grudge and give me life. Wanna lock me up until the end of time. Cause he says I just can't get it right. It's probably right, but I ain't going back. You gotta kill me first, the hell with that. I'm hell-bound, that's my whole life story. And I'm going down in the blaze of glory. I've raised hell since day one.
Alright guys, so now that you guys saw their website, pretty cool stuff. I mean, I just did a fast scroll through it just to put it on screen for you so you guys could check it out. Let's open these babies up. So again, company is called Vampire Outdoors. Company owner, super cool dude, sent me out these boxes, so we're gonna go ahead and open them. I kind of have an idea. I spoke with him earlier on what I wanted, and whether or not it's in the box, we're gonna find out.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
So here we go. Use our trusty knife here to get this box open. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got some goodies. All right, what we got here? Ultraviolet protection. Package of some camo netting, looks like. All right. Oh yeah, it's definitely camo netting. Oh, shorts. Oh, these are what you're talking about, man. Yeah. So these are some really light hunting equipment, hunting gear. So basically it is like mesh see-through. Not sure if that's shown on the camera. And basically it's kind of an over-the-top thing. This is called Mimix, MI-X concealment systems. And basically it'll go over your head like so. And wow, that's actually pretty cool. It's got a little zipper here. You can take it down and then zipper up here. Where's that zipper? This is going to be fun for certain areas over here in Hawaii where there's just a lot of what do you call that, mosquitoes and such. And I can so see this being a really cool rough and ready archery camel netting that I could use, and I still can see right through the mesh. That's pretty cool. All of this stuff will be available on his website. So we got shorts and a top, I'm thinking, or is this a long pants? I'm short, so it's probably a long pants. It's definitely a long pants. Yeah, so this looks really cool stuff I can just throw over my gear and go. Super lightweight. We will do a in-depth look on all of this products in the future videos. This box is just full, man. What's this? A pair of pants, concealment systems. Nice.
Nice.
Shorts, I believe. These look like shorts. They're a nice pair of shorts, and the camel is pretty amazing. I mean, it's a little pixelated, but there is it's gonna work fabulous for a camel. I mean, for being out there in the woods, especially over here. Up in our mountain areas, we have a lot of these woodland type trees and such. So not so much of the acorns and things, but I mean, it's gonna work really good. There we go. We got some pair of shorts here. What's this? Ooh, got some swag hats. Nice.
Nice.
I like the blood stains on it. That looks pretty dope. So this one is called Revolutioning Gear for Anglers. Wow, so it's like fishing gear. He knows we're in Hawaii, so he's probably sending some fishing equipment too. We got another set of shorts, different camo, all by Mimics Concealment Systems. I believe this is his personal design of camouflage, where he made this himself. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, that looks like a nose. I have a really big head, so that doesn't really fit me too much, but I'm sure it'll fit one of my guys that we'll do a review on with them. What else do we got? We got a couple of boxes here. Let's just throw these on the side. We'll go through those later. Let's finish up with the closing. Ultraviolet pants or shorts. Oh, this feels silky. Oh no, this is nice. It's one
Nice.
shoreline to go do some fishing. It's gonna be awesome. It has UV protection on it, so yeah. UPF 50. UV 99.8% according to the ratings on this. We're gonna go through that. Take that out. You'll see that out there on the field with us. We have, looks like a hat or mask. Oh, it's a cold weather mask. Pretty cool. Some swag hunting hats here. Mimics outdoor hats. This should fit me. Yeah, we'll rep this for the rest here. What else we got? What's this? Ah, this is another one of those UV type fishing rigs. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's nice. White. Ooh, I love the logo. The Anarchy logo. So, see if you can see it there. By Vampire Outdoors. Empire Outdoors. Oh, this is a jacket. Oh, so this is a, kind of like a sports jacket. What is this? Yeah, it's a fishing jacket type. You just zip it up. Nice.
Nice.
We'll be rolling through that in a little bit. What's this here? Oh, we got some bloodstain action here. You know, that's pretty cool. Oh, so this is the hoodie version. So this is the pullover type, just like that gray one. And this one is their fishing line here. Pretty cool stuff, guys. Looks like we are going to be busy on the channel, doing reviews and getting out there fishing.
Fish are friends, not food.
So again, we got some gear, some hats. These things here. What are these? So I know he said he was going to send me some glasses. So let's just go with it. Yes, they are glasses. Very nice case. Leather. Smells like leather. Yep. Oh, these are nice. So we got some polarized lenses here. And let's see what they're like. So they're labeled Vampire.
Vampire! Vampire! Human!
Vampire polarized glasses. Oh wow. Yeah, these are definitely polarized, but I mean, you know, when we go fishing, it's gonna reel in pretty nice, right? Yeah. You know, half the part of doing all of these things is looking good while you do it, right? And gotta say,
yeah, I make this look good.
bling on this is nice. I do like that. So we will put this in here so we don't scratch up the lenses. Let's go check out this other set here. All right. Let's see. This is called the Daywalker. I love the whole blade and vampire thing. That's awesome. Coming from a guy who grew up watching, you know, a lot of vampire shows growing up. I love it. I love how he's running this with the vampire montage.
Vampire! Vampire! Human!
So these are shooter glasses. I recall what the conversation I had with him earlier about these glasses, which are pretty cool. According to them, and according to Jason on the phone, when you wear these indoors, they are clear. They're this yellowish tinge, but the moment you get sunlight in it, it starts tinting out. Can't really see if it's actually tinting with this light. My studio light here, I'm not sure. Well, I can't really see, but we will take these out and test them later. So this part of the video is the box that I've been really wanting to open. This was this particular item in this box. If it's been sent to me, as it said it would, I have no doubt, because everything else that Jason said he was going to send got here. So I'm assuming what's in here is something that I've been wanting to try. And the main reason I reached out to Jason in the first place to see if he'd be willing to work with me on my channel. And we're gonna open it up and find out exactly what this is together. This is a really cool piece of kit, and if you can get your hands on this kit, you're not gonna be disappointed. Nice. What I love about them is, again, the whole vampire thing.
Vampire! Vampire! Human!
Thing. It's cool, man. I really dig it. So we have box number 1. And we're gonna pull this out here nicely. So this is the Cryptic X309 thermal imaging scope. I love the fact that these things come in little coffins. That's so crazy. All right, let me just
Crazy. I was crazy once.
All right, sorry about that. Battery died on the phone. Had to get the charger to plug it in. got so excited doing this unboxing that totally forgot to check the battery. So anyway, we're back. I'm gonna try to edit in as much as I can to that point. Anyway, as I said, this is the Cryptid X309 thermal imaging scope. I believe this is a 3x9 thermal imaging scope. So this one actually comes with white hot, black hot, fusion, red hot, rainbow, metal, and green hot. So you can kind of see that there. I'll do a full-blown review of each one of these products in a later video. Again, this is just unboxing to show you what cool equipment Vampire Gear has, Vampire Outdoors has. So that's that one. And not sure which one this is. I believe he said it was gonna be, he's gonna surprise me with one. So I knew I was gonna get the thermal. That's the one I wanted. I wanted to really do the testing on. But this is pretty cool too. So this is the Ellipse.
What did he say?
It's called the Eclipse DN10 day and night scope. I'm assuming that that's what the DN stands for in Eclipse, as you can see here. Bang. DN. I'm just gonna assume that means day and night. Optic. And again, love the little coffins, man. You guys are sticking to your trade. The whole Vampire trademark thing.
Human.
All right, guys. So we got everything out here on the table. As much as I could fit everything on. I even went ahead and threw on this awesome fishing gear here. So long sleeve, UV protected. Also got the hoodie for, you know, if there's a lot of sun overhead or whatnot, and the built-in mask, which is, I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna have to get back into fishing again, being that I got some cool gear to run. Normally for us, we just kind of burn, just let it burn, and we go with it. But this is pretty cool. So, super awesome company over at vampireoutdoors.com, where you can get all of this stuff. I have yet to see their camouflage and all their fishing stuff yet. I know Jason was telling that he was gonna put it online soon. But this is, as of right now, what you saw in the earlier part of the video where I was kind of doing a little screen roll through it so you could see what's on there. That's definitely still available. Check them out, vampireoutdoors.com. And again, super awesome equipment. I am going to be super busy with reviews in the upcoming days. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. And you know what? We'll even see, maybe I can get a couple of giveaways going out here soon. All right. Like I said, check you guys later. Peace.